Hi. After a short break, today I am going to share another topic. Is competition is good or make harmful? In my point of view, in this present era, this topic plays a very crucial role. In one hand, it encourages individuals to work harder and improve their skills. Moreover, it can lead to innovation and better results. On the other hand, the excessive competition may create stress and unhealthy situations. For example, people might focus only on winning rather than learning. Furthermore, it can sometimes damage our relationships if fairness is ignored. Therefore, while competition has clear advantages, it should be balanced with cooperation and a positive mindset. Thank you.